Hi everyone, today we will see how to install a PDF annotator called Xournal. I'll install and then maybe I will just go through it. I will also do a separate crash course on it. Anyway, so this how do I download it? It is you just visit this website called github.com and then Xournal app. After that again one more Xournal and then releases. So this is the website link. I will anyway give it in the description. Go to that website and if you scroll down, whatever the operating system you are in, if you are in Linux Debian version, you can take it from here, or if you are in Mac, you can take it. You must be able to take it from here. Yes, here. Or if you are in Windows, you must be able to take it from here. Right now I am in my Windows, so I am just going to take up this. So I am just going to click on this. Once you click on this Xournal 1.0.18, as of now when I am recording this video, you must see that one folder is getting downloaded here, which is a zip file. Sorry for that. So that zip file will have that exe file to install it. I have already downloaded for you. Let me go to my downloads, and here is the file. Xournal app 1.0.8 is already downloaded. What I can do, I can just right click on it and then extract here. So click on extract here. I have already extracted as well. So if you just see in the down, so this is my extracted. This is my extracted folder. This is not exact. So this is my extracted folder. In that, it has only the exe file, .exe file. If you just double click on it, that should start the installation. It asks the confirmation, just give X, and then after that it is just easy to install it everywhere. It is the same as that of installing any Windows. So just give agree and then just give next, and then of course actually choose a destination folder. You can just click on next and then just click on install. That's all. So that installs your Xournal ++ software. That's all. Let's see how long it goes. I think it will go faster than I expect. It's almost done. Just waiting a couple of more minutes. Yes, it's completed. So once it's been completed, then you can just close the installer. And then now to open this Xournal ++, what you can do is you can just go to your Windows button, just press the Windows button over here and then type Xournal, right? So this is the Xournal ++. So this is the app right now. So just double click on that app. Sorry, this is Git Bash showing. So once you double click on it, that should open the app right now. Let me see, where is this Xournal app? Yes, so this is how the initial window looks. What I can do, I can change this. Maybe for some of you the view may be different, but for me this is how it comes. What I can do, I can change this view from here, which is here at this view. Then in the layout, not in the layout, toolbars, then I would prefer to go with the option called Xournal ++. So just double click on that, just click on this Xournal ++, and that gives this window. So although it's a PDF annotator, you can also use it to take the notes. So this is a notes taking app as well. In fact, for teachers, it is one of the best place to create lecture notes, etc. I'm not going to go over it. What you can do, you can just click on this pen tool and click on start writing and check it, whatever you would like to. If you have a pen tablet, then this would be easier to write it. Otherwise, you have to use it with your mouse. So this is actually not a crash course. I'm not doing a crash course right now on Xournal ++, but I will do it in the near future. Until that time, I will see you later. Thank you.